My name is Michael and I'm from Expertec, and today I'm excited to showcase Prime Design's new and improved ErgoRack. So unlike other brands, Prime Design actually created a very innovative ratchet-style handle, extremely easy to use. Let me demonstrate. First, all you simply need to do is take the ratchet handle and insert it. And only using 2 fingers, you can see how feather light this ladder rack is. So imagine if you have a ladder actually on this rack, how easy it is to use. What's great about this is it not only makes it a lot easier, but it also safer for the end user. Now to retract this ladder rack, all you have to do is simply take the same handle and flip it around. And insert just like before. And with just 2 fingers, you can see, I only need to crank it 1, 2, 3 times, and it's back in position. For more information, you can visit our website at expertec.ca and we'll connect you with our client relations specialist. Thank you.
Expertec. Tailored solutions, upfitting commercial vehicles, configured to your specific needs.